This is rocket-powered super plow versus front-engine vehicle going at 500 miles an hour in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was one of the coolest things I've ever seen. Wow!
That went so much faster than I thought it was going to.
Oh, that was great! It was like here 1 second and then gone.
Gone in a sixth of a second. The rockets fire. At 75,000 pounds of thrust, throw the super plow along the track at a spectacular 550 miles per hour. And when the dust and shrapnel settle, the team discovers a spectacular result.
We split the car! I cannot believe we split the car in half! Look at it, it went right down the tape line. We have two perfect halves of the car. It actually split the engine in half.
Yeah, check it out.
Yeah, this is what we couldn't do in Wisconsin. We split the engine block.
Well, when you get that much force.
That is crazy.
With that complete bifurcation, the guys got exactly what they came for and what you wanted. Except there seems to be something missing.
Sled! But where is the plow?
Rockets went so much faster than I expected. It was just shoo! And the car, we couldn't even see it was split in two until we walked up here because there was just so much dirt in the air. We got up here, half a blue car, half a yellow car. Still can't find the wedge.
That's because it's in 1,000 tiny pieces. After cutting a slice through the car, the solid steel super plow disintegrated on impact with the concrete barrier.
That was one of the coolest things I've ever seen. I mean, we do a lot of explosions on the show, we do a lot of car crashes, but I have never seen a rocket-powered super plow cut a car in half. And we did it. We replicated the results of this myth.